Let's suppose we have two functions, two operations we need to perform. One of them is to take a number and subtract 2 from it and then send the output back to the person that gave us the number. The other function, the other operation we want to do is to take the square root of something. Let's call the first one f, where we subtract 2 from the number we're given, and let's call the other one g, where we take the square root. A way to write that would be f of x equal to x minus 2, where x is the number we're given, and we're going to subtract 2 and produce that as the output. And let the g, we could call it g of x equal to the square root of x, which takes the value, whatever x is, and takes the square root and then gives that back. Well, then sometimes we need to restrict what kind of numbers we're willing to accept. I think you can tell that function f, the subtract 1, could take any number you give it and subtract 2 from it and produce that as the output. But the function g has to be careful because it can only take square roots of 0 or bigger, non-negative numbers. So the domain for g is going to be from 0 to infinity. You cannot deal with negative numbers.